everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of fix missing chat history sync now in Messenger. So if you are having trouble in fixing your Messenger chat history, then you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we are going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and working your way up. So stick with me till the end, and one of these is bound to work for sure. So if you are having or if you are facing any kinds of Messenger issues in your device, then there is the quickest fix amongst all. The first one is keeping your phone on airplane mode. You can turn it on from your notification bar or from your control center. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This sets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off, go back to your Messenger and check and try chatting. See, now your chat history is all up and you can see everything is back on your phone again. And now next, let's check if there is any updates available for Messenger or not. So to do so, you can, if you are an Android user, you can simply visit to your Play Store and check the updates. As I am iOS user, I will visit my App Store. So after visiting App Store, I will search the app Messenger in which I am facing error. So after searching the Messenger, you just need to see if there is any kinds of updates available or not. So now after searching the app Messenger, you just need to wait for a while and see if there is any kinds of updates available in that app or not. If there is available, then you just need to tap on the update button and update your app to the latest version. So sometimes login issues or any kinds of Messenger sync issue, chat history issues happens because you are using an outdated version of the app. So updating it ensures you have the latest work fixes and improvements. But if updating did not help, it's time to clear the app caches, especially on Android. Here's how. So to clear your app caches on Android, go to settings, go to apps or app management, and then find Messenger, tap storage and cache, then hit the clear cache options, and this clears all your old data that might be causing issues. But in iPhone, you can visit your settings. So after visiting settings, go to the option general and tap the option iPhone storage and shows the app in which you are facing error. For now, that is Messenger. And after that, you just need to tap on the option offload app and confirm it. So after tapping on the option offload app and now confirm it, tapping again, and there will be the option like reinstall app. There you go, tap on the reinstall app and your app Messenger will be reinstalled within a very few seconds again in your device. And then in many cases, this is the final fix that solves the stop bounce problems in Messenger or in any kinds of other apps. So, and there you go, one of these methods should have helped you to get back into your Messenger account. So if it did, let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more to our channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one with another tutorial video. Thank you.